Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Wednesday, January the 22nd. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, the local share market is set to open high with ASX futures up around 0.3%. This follows a positive session on global equity markets while the US dollar rebounded. A flurry of executive orders from President Donald Trump led to some volatile market moves, with some relief that he did not impose widespread tariffs. Wall Street's main indices rose, with both the Dow and the small-cap Russell 2000 touching one-month highs. Tech stocks fell, with Apple sliding as a broker cut its rating to underperform, and shares of Tesla slumped alongside other electric vehicle makers as Trump ordered his administration to consider removing subsidies for EVs. The president is also due to announce private sector investment of up to $500 billion to fund artificial intelligence infrastructure. OpenAI, SoftBank and Oracle plan a joint venture called Stargate. Oracle shares rose on the reports, while Nvidia, ARM Holdings and Dell shares also rising. Elsewhere, 3M rose after posting upbeat fourth quarter profit, and Walgreens fell heavily after the Justice Department accused it of filling unlawful prescriptions for addictive painkillers. And Moderna gained after securing $590 million from the US to hasten development of its bird flu vaccine. Well, amid the raft of executive orders President Trump has already signed off on, the global focus has been on his trade policy, saying he's thinking about imposing 25% tariffs on imports from Canada and Mexico as soon as February 1st, while also wanting to reverse the US trade deficit with the European Union. Meanwhile, the latest data shows the Philadelphia Fed's non-manufacturing survey index fell to negative 9.1. The yield on the US 10-year Treasury note fell around 5 basis points to 4.56%, and on the short end of the curve, the 2-year was around 4.27%. And the US dollar has been volatile as markets contemplate the uncertainty of tariffs President Trump may implement, with the Canadian dollar and Mexican peso under particular pressure. The Aussie dollar is little changed at 62.7 US cents. And Bitcoin has strengthened to be trading around 106,000 US dollars. Commodities are mixed. Oil prices have fallen after President Trump declared a national energy emergency, raising concerns about high US output in a market expected to be oversupplied this year. Brent crude futures falling more than 1% to $79 a barrel. Copper is off more than 0.5%. Iron ore little changed at 104 US dollars a tonne. And the gold price has surged close to 1.5% to $2,741 an ounce, to more than 2-month peak as investors seek the safe haven asset amid uncertainty on Trump's policies. Locally today, there's no data to be released, but on the corporate calendar, we get quarterly reports from Boss Resources, Beach Energy, Evolution, Iluka, Paladin, and Woodside Energy. That is your day ahead. See you again tomorrow.